Hi there, come to share with you another journal. It's the kind of sister one to this. Made them both at the same time. They're clasp envelopes, they're 8 by 5.5, Marion Smith printables, lace here, seam binding closure, and we will go inside. There's a pocket here to tuck things inside. It's very similar to the other one that I've just shown, but because it's going on Etsy, it will just want to give it its own little video, because you can only put, I think it's like 4 or 5 photographs on Etsy, so you can't really, it's hard when it's an item like this. Envelope here with full stitching, done some stamping and coloured it in with some Prismas. Tag, and there is bits inside, and I've done some stamping inside the envelope as well on this one. A large pocket there with the tag. Altered envelope into like a double pocket, tag, some more ephemera. There we go. These all flip up, and I've coloured some of these in as well with the Prismas. Hearts on a string. Oh, this has been coloured in as well. Another pocket with the tag. All these tags I when we had some decent weather the other week, I just sprayed them all on a big tray and turned them over, and they were drying really quickly, and I love how some of the effects have come out. It's actually, I actually prefer doing that to like popping them in the oven or whatever. Sometimes I heat set them. If I only need like a few, I'll just spray them with coffee and then just get the heat tool on it. It says dance like no one is watching. Another pocket. Coloured these butterflies in with like a red and a pink. Large index card in there. That is the back, and this is opened so you can put things inside there, and that is this journal. The link to my Etsy will be below. If you've got any questions, oh, I'm getting a right kerfuddle doing this one as well. I'll just sit it to one side. If you have any questions, just ask, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.